Hey fam, what's good? What's good? I hope the show well and keeping safe. Welcome back to another one. You most probably like, yes, how's this guy doing it? Well, you know what? If it's your first time viewing, make sure to hit that like, hit that subscribe button. You know what? I will highly appreciate it. And you know what? Well, let's just enjoy what is happening on the charts, right? Let's just enjoy the moment. Okay, so we are gonna find ourselves having some news events coming through, or one news event, initial jobless claims coming through at half past, right? At half past. And you know what, let's see how we can potentially find ourselves taking advantage of price. I actually do want to see price come all the way back down into this breaker for having a potential shift back towards the downside, right? But hey, price is going to find itself doing what price need to find itself doing, right? Like I always say, we can only come to the charts doing our analysis, right? And based off our analysis, we just need to react with what price is giving us, right? It's cool to be predictive, but you know what? It's more important to find yourself being quite reactive with price as well. All right. So looking at the H1 time frame, we can basically see that we have a whole lot of back and forth, but it also do look like we want to see price actually have that pushback towards the upside, right? So 1 hourly time frame, we can't really say much because I don't really see anything finding itself opening up right over there. However, let me find myself going to the VIX, right? On the VIX, we go to my higher time frame, my H4 time frame, right? So over here, we can basically see that price is finding itself having some sort of an actual pullback. We do have this little bit of a gap, right? So from this gap, we can potentially see price have some sort of an actual shift back towards the upside, right? So what does that mean? Nasdaq might find itself having another actual, maybe like a 200 pop move back towards the downside. I don't know. Right? So, yeah, let's see what's going to happen once we're going to find ourselves tapping back into that region right over there. The DXY on the other side, we are also finding ourselves being quite stagnant, right? We can see that we did find ourselves having a gap right over there as well. So you know what, I would like to see this gap actually being filled to have a potential for the continuation move back towards the upside, back into this region right over there, as we basically previously found ourselves pointing out, right? So yeah, if we can see that shift to the upside on this beautiful pair, that will also fuel some downside momentum on the Nasdaq, right? On the Nasdaq. Now let's go back to the Nasdaq. I actually wanted to see us basically have a further continuation move back towards the upside, right? Basically with us having a closure above and simply have some sort of a retest, maybe something like this, closure above, back, and have a further continuation move back to the upside. But you know what, price just found itself doing what price need to find itself doing. And that's why I like being a scalp trader, right? With me being a scalp trader, I can just simply come to the charts, look at what's my lower time frame doing, be in and out of the market, right? Now, yes, I am also finding myself being wrong at times as well, right? I am finding myself being wrong at times as well. No one is always correct when it comes down to, trading whatsoever, or just simply the charts whatsoever, right? You are going to find yourself having some losses as well. And it's fine to be wrong with your analysis. Okay, it's fine to be wrong. Don't beat yourself up. So yeah, let's see what is basically happening inside this a little bit of a mess that price is presenting to us, right? So over here, I can already see that we do have some relatively equal lows coming through. So this is a high potential area to where we can see price basically come all the way back towards the downside. Maybe we can see price come all the way back down during the New York Open, right? But yeah, you know what, we're just gonna have to find ourselves being quite reactive when it comes down to price. Over here, I can see that we have a whole lot of wicks coming through over there as well. That there I can see a swing high. Yeah, I can see a swing high as well, right? So we do have some relatively equal highs coming through over here as well. All right. All right, over there. All right, some mentors that's most probably watching, they most probably like, nah, D, don't show them. Don't show them this. What, are you mad, bro? Are you mad, bro? How can you show them this? I don't mind. So yeah, you know, we can see it much more clear. 1 minute, right there, right there, right there. Okay, so maybe if we can see price basically take out this, have some sort of a change in structure, and yeah, you know, see some downside momentum, that would be quite cool. That will actually be one thing that I would like to see happen. All right. Hey, what's happening over here though? Okay, so over here we also do have a gap, right? So if we don't immediately find ourselves having the change in structure, we may find ourselves tapping within this gap right over there. And then from the gap, you know what, it will basically serve as a point of interest and just wait for price to, you know what, do that for us whatsoever. But as if now, you know what, let's be patient and let's see what price has installed for us. We do have a few minutes left for the you know what, the news event to find itself coming through, the jobless initial jobless claim. That, do I know anything about it? I don't know anything about it, right? To be real with you, I don't know anything about the news that is going to find itself coming out. All I do know is that, you know what, there is going to be volatility, right? There's going to be volatility. All I want to do is identify my point of interest. If we're going to find ourselves taking out that high, that low, I'm going to find myself participating with volume, right? I'm going to wait for my opportunity to open up. And what am I going to do? I'm going to participate with volume. All right. So how I'm basically looking at it is that, you know what, news events, technicals, hand in hand, cool, right? So yeah, you know, but I will actually still like to know a little bit more when it comes down to fundamentals. That basically is just being able to know like what is happening, you know, like what is the actual yeah, you know, the reasoning for why we are going short, or the reasoning to why we would want to find ourselves going long. You know, I would actually like to know that, and I will find myself investing time to basically study all of that. All right, I will find myself doing that. I will. Let me see, maybe we can get a long, maybe from somewhere over here. Nah, I don't see anything over there. I don't see anything on my form. Well, that time frame I was looking at just now. That's already tested. That's already tested as well. So yeah, you know, only thing I can do now is just be patient and wait. 10 minutes, what's happening over here? Taste it. So I just have to be cool and calm and just simply wait for price to open up a little something for me. Right? Open up a little something for me. Maybe something like this will also be nice. Bang, bang. Right? And then I'll just simply look for some beautiful longs back into this point of interest right over here, simply because, you know what, this is an area we can clearly see price want to find itself magnituding to. Okay, so I'll just find myself monitoring price right there. All right, so let me just box out that, and maybe box out this area over here as well, right over there, which is also serving as a point of interest. Okay, this is also serving as a point of interest. So a closure below, if we can come back above, then I will just simply look for some longs. A quick one, a quick one, a quick one, just like that. Nice 30-pip move, right? So if we can see that, close it above, back for the retest, long, long, just like that. Just like that. Fam, listen, if you are finding yourself taking away something from this content, make sure to hit that like, hit that subscribe button, right? Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I will highly, highly appreciate it. You know what? Let's push this channel all the way up to 700 subscribers, as that is my, you know what, my goal for this year on this channel. That, and I must say to each and every single one who have found themselves tuning in on my content. I hope that you guys have found yourself growing inside your trading journey with me, right? And in general, just find yourself taking away a lot from taking away valuable information from our sessions. Okay, so we can currently see something is up, right? So if we can basically see the pullback, I'll then find myself going long. I'll find myself going long, right? So let me get on my phone quickly. Right, I'm ready. I'm ready, Nasdaq. I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's go. I'm ready. I love the fact that there's no wick above. Come down, come down, come down. Don't create a wick. Come down. Come down. Yes, I'm long. All right, I'm long. Let's go. And that is how we call it a easy day. That is how we call it a quickie. That is what we call it, family. Yo, right? So make sure to hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Much love from me, your boy D. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. I'm out.